brakes were a bit leaky, so I hope it's gonna be okay.
That would be the business day then, I assume?
I guess, yeah, which is also annoying.
This car sticks.
It's not easy to warm up and everything. You just have to follow the cones.
You know, that's exactly what the woman who was at the ticket thing said.
Braking early, here you come to 110, you stay in the middle, and then you come on the inside. That's exactly how you learn it, and then you come you take all the width of the track, because you're paying for all of it. It's taking it too wide, you have to take it on the curb.
We stay out.
Out, and dive in. Yeah, slow. Yeah, outside and on the inside. And all the way. Here we're gonna have to brake early.
Yeah.
You can brake between the 150 and 100 if you're confident, otherwise the 150 mark is good enough to start with.
Okay.
Yeah, external, inside, outside, all the way. Brake a bit, oh, not that much. Turn in. On the outside. Don't go in the sand here, really bad.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Yeah, middle, and inside. And that's when you get actually maximum speed. Come here, look at that. That thing is flying, fuck. Don't brake that much, people. Why? Okay, inside. You're not supposed to take that one like that. Huh?
Okay.
Just, sorry, I haven't seen the yellow flag, my bad. Okay, I was not supposed to pass him. I missed the yellow flag. Outside. Okay. Full gas. Inside. Don't lift off, don't brake too early, that's really dangerous if you brake too early, brake here. Yeah, I did brake a little bit too much here, even here, so okay. Inside, ooh, outside. Curb. Okay, slow people ahead. Outside and then up, too late, sorry, didn't see you guy. A bit of a hurry.
So brake at the 150 for the first few laps and see how I do.
Yeah. Not too fast here, see, so I'm not enough on the inside. Yeah, you brake at the 50, slow down a bit, come smooth on the inside, outside. You stay on the outside a bit till that one, lift off a bit maybe, don't go too fast, and then inside, full gas. Full gas. You'll obviously ones as well, eh?
Yeah.
Go really easy on the first few ones.
And I'm hoping on the tour I don't have to drive this quick from the get-go.
No, indeed. No. You you don't have for any of the session. You can drive easy. Worst case scenario, keep your warning lights on, just so that people know that you're new and slow. Oh,
woo!
Yeah. Too early. That was too early. See, I can't accelerate early enough.
Yeah, can you drive with the hazards on?
Yeah, of course. Jeez, guys, don't.
Dude!
What the fuck is that? That's I'm free. Okay, still slow on the inside. Maybe I could have gone down in third.
Okay, if I get a racing license and we go in the same series, you are going to slaughter me.
No. It's not
And it pains me to say that.
Third to second earlier instead of fourth. Should not do that.
No, that would be bad.
Yeah, didn't like it.
I imagine it makes quite a bad noise.
Yeah. Angry noise. At the 100 mark easily, depending on your brakes and confidence.
For the fast laps?
No, not for the fast lap. No. I would not recommend that. how you're supposed to take it actually.
Uh-huh.
Oh, go slow people. Okay. Be a bit careful on that one because that was too fast. There is such a thing as too fast as well, eh?
Sorry?
There is such a thing as too fast, you know that?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I love Fiestas. My first car, I have to love them.
Yeah. Oh, he's braking too early again. Yeah, okay. He does have a straight brakes. It's working fast, huh, with this state.
Tell you what, I wouldn't mind owning a Megane GT line that went that quick.
Yeah. Oops. Getting a bit slidey. I guess my tires are getting a bit hot as well. Oh yes, we're getting too showy.
Yeah, it's getting a bit loose at the back.
Yeah, no, the front. Well, yeah, actually, yeah. Seems like the back, but I think.
How many sets of tyres do you get through a year?
I don't know, those are almost dead, but I bought them last year and they were second hand already.
What is that noise?
Tire gummed.
Sorry?
Tires gum.
Ah. You like that corner, don't you?
Yeah, all of them actually. So we're 170 now.
170?
Coming here. Down to like 130, stay a bit on the middle, and then you come on the inside. Oh. And then
Someone
you
gone
got all
off?
the slow people. Oh fuck, yeah, someone lost.
Someone's lost a number plate?
Yes, they're overrated on the track. There's no yellow flag, right? No. what I can see. Okay, we can keep going.
I don't think he was using his mirrors.
No. Well, that's what they call the business thing. I guess we have like a company outing or something like that.
I guess so, but I was kind of expecting to see an instructor in the car with them.
Yeah, maybe the first laps in the morning or something. Check your, yeah, you know the flags, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so best 2:11.
Sorry?
Best time 2:11. I did a 2:10.8 earlier. Oh fuck, we can start turning a bit. Oh, you had it full open. Okay. Was it open? No. You just opened, right?
Yeah, I just opened it.
Okay, let's
Right, so handbag and jacket in the boot.
Yep.
Car keys in the ashtray. Somebody went in the kitty litter.
Hmm?
Somebody went in the kitty litter.
Yeah, I guess so. So I'll come with you?
Cool, please. You know I'm going to completely embarrass myself.
Well, don't. There's no way. The only way you can embarrass yourself is if you crash because you're overconfident.